No matter where you like to go or what you like to pack, you need your passport, a cool pair of jeans, and of course, a camera. Wait, what's missing? Say hello to Wayakit. The one thing that would finally make your travel essentials complete while keeping your belongings fresh as a daisy. The world's first compact, all-natural, multi-purpose on-the-go cleaner. Seriously, no traveler should go anywhere without this handy-dandy spray. This must-have travel essential is organic, easy to pack, and most importantly, it works. Wayakit is arguably the smartest stain and odor-removing spray in the world. It fits seamlessly into your lifestyle and will be there when you need it most. Wayakit is biotechnology in a bottle, so you can focus on enjoying every moment. Stain? No problem. Simply spray the cloth, cap the stain, and rub away. Odor? Spray once, and voila! Good as new. Wayakit eliminates stains and odors in seconds thanks to state-of-the-art technology.
Honestly, we're just two ordinary women with a passion for travel, each of us doing our PhD in environmental sciences and engineering to back our work. As innovators, entrepreneurs, and environmentalists, we created Wayakit out of our own frustration of not being able to find a travel-friendly laundry solution. So we made one, and we are ready to share it with the world.
Wayakit is our passion. We care about helping travelers to focus only on what really matters during their trip. We have been working in Wayakit during a year, and finally we have it. It's a reality, and you can be part of it. Your collaboration, doesn't matter if it's small or big, will help us to raise the funds that we need to bring Wayakit to you.